Hey guys, Eva RV here from Arcan RV. Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope you had a fantastic holiday season. And now it is time to get back in the swing of things. And for us, getting back in the swing of things is the RV show, which is happening in T-minus 10 days. And with that, of course, we have new units rolling in every single day, new model numbers, new years, new colors. So we're very excited to showcase all these trailers for you. We are going to start by showcasing the 2026 Keystone RV Passport 284 QBC. Let's go through all the things that make this trailer the one that you have to take home at the RV show to get your camping season started. Let's go through it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, we will see you at the RV show. Okay, first things first. Edge lighting on the black front cap, amazing. Huge pass-through storage, solid stairs. Our cat needs to be in on everything we do. The black and white contrast on this trailer looks so stunning. We have a massive pass-through storage and of course a fully walkable roof on this Passport. Second thing to note, this has 50 amp power, which is pretty amazing. We have the tinted windows, we have the on-demand hot water heater, and we have two 20-pound propane tanks with a power tongue jack. All in all, the exterior on this is absolutely stellar. Look at the size of this pass-through storage. You can fit a lot of camping gear in there. Look at the size of that awning. All right, let's have a look inside, you guys. There's, of course, our cat who needs to be in on everybody's business. Look at the interior decoration, you guys. Love this color. It's called Cedar Frost, and it is a hit. We have a jackknife sofa here and a massive U-shaped dinette and a little bit of storage right at the front when you first walk in to hang your coats and put your shoes. Look at all the space we have here. You could dance in here. There's so much space. We have a decent sized bathroom here with a foot flush toilet, a nice little sink, and enough space for all your cosmetics, and a massive shower. See? Full size shower. Into the quad bunk area, we have room for 4 children here with 300-pound limit, so if you have some adults that want to sleep there as well. We have a ton of storage, windows in every bunk, and enough USB AC outlets to keep all your kids happy. We have a decent pantry here. You can really fit a lot of food in there and or your kids' toys. There's space for it. Space for shoes and keys. Yay! Hey, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we will get back to you obviously right away. As per usual, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and follow. This really helps with our algorithm and helps us bring you more videos. I hope to see you all at the RV show. If you want free tickets, let us know.